Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down tech gear so you can make smarter buying decisions. In today's video, we're taking a close look at what's easily one of the best relay boards out there for your DIY electronics projects. The Sainsmart ES121, also known more commonly as the Sainsmart 4-channel relay module. This module is a staple for hobbyists and prototypers, especially when you're working with automation or IoT projects. Whether you're controlling lights, fans, or even industrial equipment, this relay module gives you the bridge between low-voltage logic and high-power devices. Let's start by talking about the basic overview. This is a 5V 4-channel relay interface board. Each channel is isolated and equipped with an optocoupler, making it safer and more reliable when interfacing with high-voltage devices. Every channel on the board can handle up to 10 amps at 250 volts AC or 30 volts DC. That means, theoretically, you could control up to 4 10A devices simultaneously using a single microcontroller. One of the most user-friendly aspects of this board is its compatibility. It supports a wide variety of microcontrollers including Arduino, AVR, PIC, DSP, ARM, and MSP 430. It even works with simple TTL logic levels. That makes it ideal whether you're just starting out or building advanced setups. The standard interface design means it can plug directly into your controller with ease. Now let's dive into the construction. The build quality is solid for the price. The relays are arranged cleanly with clear PCB labeling, which really helps during setup. There's also onboard LED indicators for each channel. These LEDs light up whenever the respective relay is active, so you have a visual cue on what's currently switched on or off. That's not just helpful for debugging, it's a must-have for any real-world prototyping. Driver current is relatively low too. Each relay only draws about 15 to 20 milliamps, which means your controller won't get overloaded. Even with all 4 relays activated, your average Arduino board can drive this module directly without needing an external power source. Of course, if you're planning to switch heavy-duty devices, it's a good idea to add external power and decoupling protection. But for general use, it's ready out of the box. So how does it actually perform in real-world projects? In our testing, we set it up with an Arduino Uno and triggered 4 different household appliances using a simple sketch. The switching was smooth, there was no noticeable latency, and the relays didn't heat up, even after running for extended periods. That reliability is a huge win for anyone building home automation systems or robotic applications. If we had to point out a limitation, it would be the fact that it doesn't support variable voltage levels. It's strictly 5 volts logic, so if you're using a 3.3 volt system like the Raspberry Pi without level shifting, you may run into stability issues. But that's not a fault of the design. It's just something to be aware of when integrating into different platforms. Another point to note is that, while the relays are rated for 10A, actual use with inductive loads like motors or transformers should be done cautiously. You may want to add snubber circuits or external protection to prevent relay wear over time. But again, that's just good engineering practice when working with high voltage loads. To sum it up, the Sainsmart 4-channel relay module delivers excellent performance, strong build quality, and incredible ease of use. For the price point, it's a smart buy whether you're automating your home, working on smart farming tech, or building a robotics platform. So if you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and affordable relay module, this one is definitely worth picking up. Just remember to check shipping options, as some regions may not be supported directly through Amazon. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss our next teardown. Got questions about relay modules or suggestions for what we should review next? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.